Hello everyone and welcome back. I wanted to post a video on my experience using this Evolution saw for the past year. The model for this one is Rage 4. It's the smaller saw with the 7¼ inch blade. I wanted to replace my angle grinder using abrasive cutting wheels. It just throws too much dust in the air. I definitely don't want to get that in my lungs. And when I did remember to use my mask, I could see on the filters all that dust that collected, and you know, the cleanup is just a mess. I have a small shop. It's in my garage for all my personal projects, and I really got to do a good cleaning in the garage when I'm done if I'm going to be doing other things like laundry, and especially my wife walking around maybe barefoot. Wouldn't want her to get hurt. So I wanted to get something that was easier to use. It made better cuts, cleaner cuts, while at the same time making cleanup a lot easier as well. So there's things I love about this saw and there's things I hate about it. Of course, I love the way it cuts. And like you see here, the thing I hate the most about it is the base and this fence. And that clamp to fix the pieces firm so you can make sure you get a good cut. These things move and can throw off the cut a bit. The first cut I ever made on this saw was a 45° on angle iron. I needed to join two pieces together where the outside corners met just fine, but the inside corners were very far apart. So I had to fill those in as I did my weld. So as an example, here's a 1/8 thickness angle iron. Taking my time, I really want that cut to be clean. And there it is. No deburring needed. So this is a 1-inch square tube, and I'm just trying to adjust it on the fence so nothing moves. When making these 90° angle cuts, you really don't have much to worry about. The fence, when it moves to that angle, it stops. It can't go any further, so you know those cuts are going to be perfect every single time. And this one right here is a 2x2. The first time making this cut, I wasn't sure if it was going to be smooth all the way down. So I took my time to kind of learn the saw to see how it would work with this size square tubing. So I hesitated there a little bit, wasn't sure if it was going to make the cut. Sure enough, it did. And it's done. Good job. And look at that. How clean. No deburring needed also here. So if I had to make this purchase all over again, knowing what I know now about the thin stamped steel base on the Rage 4, I would have definitely purchased the EvoSaw 380 or any of the other 14-inch multi-purpose saws if I needed to cut more than just steel. The base on the 14-inch saws are made from a much thicker gauge steel and have a pin that drops into a position for locking each of the angles marked on the base. The fence is also made from a much thicker gauge steel and does not appear to twist when tightly clamping material. One of the other benefits of the 14-inch saws is the 15-amp electric motor, which compared to the 10-amp on the Rage 4, I'm sure makes those clean cuts even faster. I really hope this information helps if you're thinking of purchasing one of these, and if you already own one of the 14-inch saws, please let me know how you like it in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.